everyone, welcome to Varam Nutra. Today on the menu we have a very interesting, trending, kids favorite recipe, paneer tomato cheese pasta. Get a yummy recipe with such less ingredients. For this, take a broad pan, high flame, add 2 liters of water and bring it to boil. Add half a teaspoon of salt into it. I am taking wheat pasta here, and once the water starts boiling, add 1.5 cups of pasta. I am making it for 4 members, so accordingly you can adjust the pasta quantity. So allow it to boil and let the pastas become soft. So it may take approximately 3 to 5 minutes, depends according to the pasta. So for this particular yummy recipe, you will need very less ingredients. You will need tomato, you will need paneer, you will need cheese and little peppercorns and mixed herbs. With this, you get a very awesome healthy breakfast recipe. Add a teaspoon of oil into the pasta so that the pasta doesn't stick with each other. Once it comes to boil, just check whether it has become soft, and once it turns soft, just drain out the water completely. Drain the water completely, and to stop the process of cooking, add cold water above it. When you add cold water, it will prevent the pastas from cooking further with the heat. Once done, keep it aside. Keep a tawa in the stove and add little oil and add around 200 grams of paneer and roast them till golden brown. Keep it aside. In another pan, add a teaspoon of oil and arrange thinly sliced 4 to 5 tomatoes in it. Close with the lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. The thing is that here the tomatoes have to become very soft. See, we are going to make these tomatoes soft and add little cheese into it, and we are going to make it little saucy. So now it's become soft. I am slightly smashing it and just place 2 cheese cubes above it and close with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. This process of tomatoes and the cheese, you can even keep it in a microwave and just cook it for about 20 minutes, but I am doing it in a tawa itself. It may take approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the cheese to melt. Now just smash the cheese and the tomato and bring it to a saucy form. See, now it's become little saucy. Add in little salt. Now add in the roasted paneer into it. Just give a mix. By this time the cheese is melted and completely become saucy with the tomatoes. and require pepper powder. I am adding around a teaspoon of pepper powder, and you can add mixed herbs for good taste and flavor. Now your sauce is perfectly ready. Now we are going to add in the macaroni or the pasta. Add the pasta little by little and mix it well. Your delicious paneer tomato cheese pasta is ready to serve. It's a perfect breakfast recipe for your kids. If you liked my videos and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe and like my videos and share it with your friends and families. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra.